long time ago, all across this land, rock and roll was hurting, it was feeling so bad. A couple of boys picked up their guitars, they couldn't really play, so they started writing songs. They were the kings of power pop. At first it wasn't easy, cause no one really cared. They kicked them out of everywhere, they kicked them down the stairs. Standing on the corner of Hollywood and Vine, listening to the man tell me rock and roll had died. They were the kings of power pop. It used to be so hard, eating beans and sleeping in cars. Turn the radio on, make you wanna scream. Then I heard the Ramones, rock and roll radio. I knew everything was gonna be alright. And now I am a daddy, I still play my guitar, try to get it up to be a rock and roll star. Sometimes people, they